Ready for some challenging fun? Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. With us from Comic-Con in New York and from the company Cubios, Cubios, are Max Filin and Napoleon Smith. Hi, Max and Napoleon.
How you doing?
Hey,
Great to meet you. And you have announced a new digital puzzle gaming system, a platform, Rubik's WowCube. Give us the overview.
So Rubik's WowCube, it's great. It's basically a digital Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube hasn't been changed in over 50 years. We decided we're the ones that want to be to do it. So what you're looking at here is it has 24 screens on it, and we are launching with about 70 games and applications. And that way you have your typical traditional Rubik's Cube game, but you have a lot of other games that you can do gameplay with having a more 3D effect.
it also can be used as a tool showing your widgets. You can link to your Facebook or Instagram. It can show you Bitcoin rate or weather or you name it. You can make the competition with others who have this tool, of course.
Tell us how this came about.
My friend San once said, "What if to put characters on the surface of the Rubik's cube?" So we combine the forces. He is a super talented, and he founded that company. That he's a very talented software engineer and inventor. And I have a big experience making consumer electronics. So we came up with this device. It's 8 autonomous computers combined together with 24 screens.
So there are 8 computers combined in this?
Yeah, so it's each of this. Do you see it on the screen? It's each module is individual computer, and they are combined together. So those icons on the screens are different games and apps. And yes, we had to create our own operation system to make it works. So you can play it, or you can also make the games and applications yourself, because we create not only the hardware but the software development kit and emulator for that device.
Fascinating. Well, step us through what some of the play is like.
Yeah.
Out of the box, are there games that are built in?
Yeah, so since you have 24 screens, each screen is basically each screen is a different game that you can play. So you have 24 games or applications on it. But what's great about it is it connects to your iPhone and it also connects to your Android. So you have an app. You have an app-based system that you can download all the different games via Bluetooth to your device.
Yeah,
And
I'm showing on the video the application we have. It's available for iOS and Android, and yes, you can basically download any game from our store. Most of them are free, of course, to your device.
and
To
these
the
are
web.
are they single player games or can
Well, it's a standalone device. You can play it mostly as a single, but because it's connected, you have the leaderboard. You can compete with your friends, and those type of speed queuing competitions. Because each game has statistics. They say I would start the game, and this simple. It's just I randomly pick one. This is the game called Butterflies. You need to assemble the butterfly. Um, Here, so first level is very easy. Once I do, it gives me statistics, how much time I spent, how many moves I made. So these statistics you can compete with using the statistic with others.
and when it comes to creating your own games, how do you do that?
So you have two options. First is what we call no code solution or WowCube Studio. It's super easy. It's drag and drop interface. You can just make a photos, like for me and Napoleon. I press a button, they appears on the cube. I can mix our faces just for fun. It's for like a very simple way. If you are a developer and you want to make a real game, you can go to wowcube.com and download our SDK, software development kit, and emulator, and then you can just make a game as the way you do for other platforms, using our tools. And we have all the technical documentation how to make it, and you can post it on our store.
Really interesting. And I understand this has been officially certified by STEM.org, right?
Yes, correct. We have a lot of games that teach you during the playtime. For example, I just again randomly pick one. the what we call like this is for like history. That's you assemble. This is the you see the famous faces or familiar faces, and once you assemble some of them, let me do that. One side of the Rubik's is very easy. You assemble one of them, and it gives you the historical data about that person. So that types of games, and why your kid should do that? Because once he do, he can win the digital fish in his digital aquarium. We also have games like for the word games. Then you need to assemble the words, and those are digital aquarium and with the fish
Yeah,
inside
so
it.
we reward them with if you want more fish in your aquarium, we reward them by the different kind of like skill set games. That's the only way to get some more fish.
And it's designed to hold. This is the word game. You need to assemble words like scramble. See, but it's designed to hold it with your both hands on your arms, distance far from the eyes, and always think in three dimension. Even though you play arcade game, you still have to train your memory because there is a part of this the device with a screen that you don't see. It's like entire surface is your screen. You change in geometry during the gameplay. That's what distinguishes it from the flat screen devices where you're just smashing one button, looking on a flat screen. This needs to do like increase your spatial reasoning, your motor to brain coordination. It's very important to have this motor to brain coordination, by the way.
That's just terrific. So, who do you think your typical customer is for this? And is there an age range, or what do you
Yeah,
expect?
I mean, it really varies because you have some more like fun games for kids. You know, learning presidents. There's different places in the world that you can learn about, and word games. But then also, you know, it's for the kid at heart. You know, the great thing about Rubik's Cube and why we wanted to be a Rubik's Cube is Rubik's Cube's been around for 50 years. So 50 years, how many generations of people have been grown and raised on Rubik's Cube? So it's definitely for adults and for kids at heart. I mean, for adults at heart and for kids.
How do you charge this up, and what's the battery life like?
So it has a base station that you just pop it right into, and then it charges it right up. How long does it take to about charge usually?
Well, let's say it's 30 minutes to 80% and an hour to the full charge. It has the fast charging
Yeah.
option there. And the gameplay it's pretty much depend on the brightness. It can this is the 50% of the brightness. I can make it way brighter, way louder. It's 8 speakers inside,
Yeah.
so up to 5-6 hours of the gameplay, which is enough.
Pretty good hours.
That's terrific. So, I guess for a car trip with kids, things like that, no
Yeah.
problem.
No problem.
No, of course. And while you not play, which is important, you play it, you fidget it, then you not play, you put it on a charger dock station. You still can use it. It can show you pictures from your social media. It can show you like you even can point a map on a Google map, and it shows you panoramic picture from that place. Or it can show you like Tesla stock or Bitcoin rate, something digit mode. I mean, you use it even then you not play.
It can be a display or informational
Yes,
device.
yes. It can show anything, and it's an open platform, so you can download SDK and use it. We have APIs, so you can basically use it as you want. And I mean, I'm sometimes saying you can make a music device out of it. You can connect it using Bluetooth to your stereo and doing like it understands stop, twist, touch, so you can make a music with it. I mean, this is just one of an example of what else you can do, not just play the games.
Just terrific. So, pricing and availability. When can people buy it, and for how much?
So we go our sales go on sale today or yesterday here at Comic Con, New York, and you'll get it if you order it in the next couple of weeks. You will get one under the Christmas tree because we think this is probably the coolest Christmas gift you could give anybody. And as far as pricing, it'll range a little bit, and we can go over the
So
pricing.
now it's $299, but during this period of pre-orders, we just start the orders to deliver before Christmas. So it's $299, but it's temporary, only now. Later it will be more expensive once we go to retail.
Just terrific. And the games will vary in price to download them.
Yeah, and they're not expensive. They're a couple of dollars here and there, and it already comes with quite a bit of games on hand as well. So
Yeah.
there won't be an issue, and right out of the box, you're gonna have plenty of games to play with.
So for more information and maybe to order, where can people go?
WowCube.com. Just go to WowCube.com and place your order. And I especially with the demand we've gotten here at Comic-Con, it's been phenomenal. And I would say if you want one of these on the Christmas tree to impress your kid, or your kid impress your dad or your grandfather, I would get it now. Make sure you have it.
Just terrific. Max Filin and Napoleon Smith, thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.